guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Sam, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this like grungy glam blue kind of, I don't know, this is a vibe. I'm kind of digging it. I'm also testing out all of the e.l.f. runs on Dunkin products, and I'm out of hands, but the eyeshadow palette. Yeah, so if you want to see how all of these products performed and how I got this look, then please just keep watching. So, I already went and wet the beauty sponge, and it's like the size of half of my face, like this whole cheek. That's fun. I don't know how that's gonna work to like use it to blend. I've seen people like try to pinch it and just like use it this way, so I don't know. We will see. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. runs on Dunkin Putty Primer. It's like sweet, but like not sweet. I don't know, it's not like crazy. It's just a little refreshing little. I'm just gonna work this in all over my face. This does give a very like glazed, glossy kind of look to the skin. Ooh, okay, maybe a little too much. I only used the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, I think once or twice. And from what I can recall, that's kind of the vibes that this gives me. The more I use this, the more I definitely feel like I smell like a donut. And I kind of don't know if that's like the journey that I want to participate in. I don't know that I want to like walk around smelling like a donut, but I'm going to keep in the footage of me using the sponge to apply my foundation, but I'm just gonna like speed through it really quick, and then I'll tell you about my verdict whenever I come back.
In my world, I don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, can't make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting, I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do.
Alright, so I did apply a little bit of concealer under my eye with this. I definitely prefer the pinching method, but it's still kind of a little bit inconvenient. Yeah, so I don't know that I would really reach for this really at all, honestly, because I mean, I feel it's kind of unnecessary to carry around two sponges, but this did blend out my face like in seconds. I tried it, I saw Kelly Strack just do it, like the beat the face with the donut method. That worked beautifully. I saw Michaela on TikTok just like stick fingers in the middle of the donut and then do it this way. That also blended it out like a dream, like immediately. If I was just sitting at home, you know, like just kind of dabbling around, I might would use the donut, but it's adorable. I just don't know that it's very functional because there's no like tight corner to get in. So I'm gonna do my bronzer, highlight, blush, concealer, all of the things, and I will be right back and we'll work on the eyeshadow. Alright, you guys, I am back. I did the rest of my base. I did my brows. I primed my eyes whenever I was doing like my concealer and foundation and everything earlier. I think you guys saw that. Now I'm going to dive into the 12 shades e.l.f. runs on Dunkin. Hello, son. Do you have something to say to the people? Do you want to come say hi? Oh, can you say hey?
Hey.
Can you blow him a kiss? Alright, go play with Sissy, okay? Yes. Did you show Sissy how to do Baby Shark? Go show her. Hurry. She needs to know. Hurry, 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 run. Okay, so I'm going to dip into the 1 dozen Friends on Dunkin eyeshadow little palettes. They have the chocolate frosted with sprinkles, the strawberry frosted with sprinkles, and the Boston cream palettes. And I think I'm just kind of going to dabble into all 3 of them, honestly. So I am going to go through and swatch all of these. I'll kind of throw some swatches up here while I'm talking. But I think I'm just going to dabble into all 3 of them. This blue is really calling my name, and I don't know why. I know I've been trying to, like, venture off into color more. Also, I apologize for whatever noise you hear. Ethan's in the corner doing his own thing, getting into things he probably has no business being in. But I've been, like, trying to branch out into color, and this blue is just, like, screaming that I need to use it. I'm also really intrigued by this white. Okay, I gotta get into it. I think I'm gonna start with this shade from the Boston Cream eyeshadow palette. And it does have a little bit of shimmer, but, I mean, it's not, like, foiled eyeshadow or anything. So I'm just gonna pick that up on a big fluffy brush. Yeah, I see you got Mommy's mirror. And I'm going to start to work that into the outer corner as well as up into the crease. I'm kind of going in with a light hand because this is a darker shade than I would usually use as a transition. This is just the lightest brown that is available in these little palettes. And I'm trying to just use what's available and not like dip into 9 other things. So I'm just going to apply this here. Really just kind of flicking it out. I want to do like a nice big dramatic wing. I haven't done one in a really long time. And then just with whatever's left, you gotta show them my mirror. Well, you gotta show them the other way. You gotta show them this way. Ta-da! Okay, there you go. Okay, you showed them. All right, they got it. With whatever's left, I'm gonna also take this on the inner portion of my lid. Baby, okay, they get it. And just kind of connect that up here in the crease. And now going in with a smaller, more compact brush, I'm going to pick up this darker brown shade, and I'm mostly going to focus this in the outer V, but then also take it into the inner corner, but just like incredibly lightly. I don't want it to look like I have like a black eye or anything. I'm just going to go kind of slow and just steadily flick this out right here in the outer corner.
No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, baby.
And now I'm going to go into the chocolate frosted with sprinkles eyeshadow palette and dip into that blue. And I'm going to pick that up on a flat brush. Really kind of get in there. Tap off any excess. And I'm just going to start to pat this into the center of my eyelid. This is not wet, you know, with no manipulating of the product. Oh, look at, oh my gosh. Now I am just going to go in with some setting spray and really see if I can make that really pack a punch.
Mama.
Oh.
Mama.
Oh. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope all of the shimmers perform this way. This is amazing.
Mama.
Yes, Pumpkin. What? Did you tell her what I said? What'd she say? Is that what she said?
Mama. Mama.
What, baby? Now I'm going to go back in with a previous brush with no additional product on it yet. And just kind of start to fluff around the edge of that shimmer.
Mama.
Baby, you want some more? Alright, go put it on the counter and I'll come get some. I don't really want to like disperse the shimmer too far, but I do want to diffuse the edge so it's not like a stark line where the brown starts and the blue stops. So just kind of rough up the edges a little bit. Also go back and clean up the crease. And I'm just going to go in with this flat brush and just kind of pack on some of that brown. Just kind of flick it out at the end. Flick it up a little bit. I didn't want it to deposit it with this brush because I didn't want it to be too much. I really just want to blow it out. Go back in with the first brush and just really go to town. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the inside. Pick that up on that definer brush. And then go back in and blend that out. And then just with whatever's left on the brush, bring that here in the crease. And then I am going to go back in, just kind of re-intensify that blue. I'm not re-spraying the brush. I don't want it to be so intense. But I mean, I do want it to be kind of intense. And now I am going to go in with this white shade from the Strawberry Frosted palette. And I'm going to pick it up just on my finger, kind of tap off the majority of it, honestly. I just want just a little bit, and just right in the center, just kind of hit that. And just really make it be the focal point. I don't know if you can tell different. My daughter is teething and she is having a fit. I promise no one's in there like abusing her or anything. But in person, this makes a very drastic difference. Just like really makes the light focus in the like center. And now I'm just gonna go back in with that darkest brown shade and really stamp it like up into the lashes. And I'm gonna do this all the way across. And then I'm gonna go back in with that lighter brown shade, really tap off the excess, look up into my mirror, and just blow that out. Alright, now I'm going to do some liner, my lashes, all of that. I'm also going to duplicate it on this eye and come back and we'll finish off the lips together. Alright, so I just kind of threw my hair up in these little fun buns, I think is what they're called. Notice the little Dunkin inspired scrunchies. I'm going to go in with the lip scrub, the lip exfoliator, whatever, you know, the little lip scrubby thing. I've never actually used one of these before, but I think you just kind of go in and put it on your lips. It was like coffee. And just kind of use your lips as your exfoliators.
Boo.
Boo. You want to say it to them? Okay, hang on, I'll pick you up.
Ma. Boo.
Here's your tattoo.
Boo. Boo.
Come here. Say it louder, they can't hear you.
Boo.
Okay, I love you. Go say it to Sissy.
Boo.
And then just go in with a makeup wipe and clean off any of the like grit that's left. Also, I know I'm not looking at the camera. I'm using the monitor as my mirror. She didn't hear you. Go do it again. Hurry, go do it again. She missed it. Go do it again. No, go say boo, silly. So then there's the pink gloss and the orange gloss, and I don't know how pigmented these really are, so I'm just gonna kind of swatch-a-roozy. So the pink is pretty substantially pink. Now let's look at the orange. Honestly, I kind of expected them to be like just mostly clear glosses. Oh, so the orange does have a little bit of an orangey tint too. It's cool, but they're not like unwearable, so that's pretty awesome. What, baby?
Boo.
Boo! I've got a few different brown lip liners.
Mama.
What, baby? No, go play with Sissy for just a second. Let mommy finish. Go! This one might be a little too dark, but I like the undertone of it better. I'm going to go in with BFF3 from ColourPop and just line my lips.
When I saw you next, when I told you.
And then I also like to like fill in the corners.
Then I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lies. And after all this,
And then I'm just going to go in with my finger and just kind of blend that together a little bit.
feeling fine.
And then I'm going to go on top of that with the orange, or maybe, I don't know.
This is all you want. No more play.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's like a sweet, like a pastry. I don't know that I'd say it's like a donut, but it's definitely like you're in a coffee shop with a pastry. I believe that's all of the products. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. If you have any other video ideas, please comment them down below and I will do my absolute best to get them filmed for you. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And until next time, bye guys.